Hello again, this is Rino, and today we are gonna see how to make handmade orecchiette. The ingredients are basically two: semolina flour and water. And today I'm gonna use 700 grams of semolina flour, and not pretty sure about the amount of water that we are gonna need for this flour. It depends from flour to flour, so I prepare 350 milliliters of water. I'm gonna start pouring most of it, leave a bit, and see if I'm gonna need the rest of it. I'm starting in a bowl to avoid to spread all the flour all around. This is a really dry dough, you will see at the end. You need to work it quite a bit to obtain a really uniform dough. That will be really easy to work than to be shaped actually to make orecchiette. So I'm pretty sure I might need the full amount of water because it's really too dry. And we will see if I need even more water. The dough shouldn't be too much dry, otherwise it's gonna be a nightmare to work with it. And it shouldn't be too much dry, too much wet. In that case, the dough will be too flexible, and then the orecchiette will lose its shape quite easily. The mix, it depends really on the flour that you bought, so it's really difficult to recommend what should be the perfect concentration. I have the feeling that this dough is a bit too humid, and probably I'm gonna add some more flour to make it slightly drier. In that case, you can even use regular flour. You don't need to add any semolina if you have just used it. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need some more flour. Let's try with a scoop of regular flour. Seems that not as much drier. I'm gonna start work the dough on a flat surface, stretching it as much as I can, so I can develop a nice gluten net that's gonna give nice shape to the orecchiette and retain that shape. If you feel that the dough is too watery, you can keep adding flour. No watery, I should say wet. Apologies for my English. This is a really thick dough, and it's really demanding to work it. I'm gonna keep working it as I'm showing you for another 3, 4, 5 minutes until I get something that is nice and uniform. And the work is always stretching, stretching, stretching. I'm gonna stop here and keep working on the dough. We are back. After working the dough for 5 minutes, you will reach a dough that has this consistency. You see, it's really plastic. It retains all the deformation and it's really dry and thick. In fact, it's really demanding. I should use most of my weight, body weight, squash it. You should get something like that. Once you get something like that, the suggestion is to keep it in the same bowl where you started. Put the cloth and leave it there resting for a bit, for 5-10 minutes. While we do that, I'm gonna start preparing a bit of surface where I'm gonna do my shaping. I need a bit of flour. I always keep a bit of flour on the surface where I'm gonna work and spread a bit on the surface where I'm gonna put the final orecchiette. And then I start the process after the dough is ready using a knife like this one. Now that the dough is ready, I'll get a small amount of it and I start making a sausage, pushing on the dough and stretching it. Push and stretch, push and stretch. You will get a nice sausage like this one. And this is the one that I'm gonna use to make my orecchiette. I'm gonna get closer and make sure that I have a bit of flour on the surface and then start working with small amount like this one, creating nice shape for my orecchiette. And I'm gonna put the camera closer so you can see in details what's my movement. I start with an amount like this one, then I put the knife and I start pressing. At some point my index, pointing finger is inside, and then I of the knife. So you can see the orecchiette is my finger, and then I push it on the other side. In a quick way, you can see that you have a nice texture on top of the orecchiette. I believe that this dough is still slightly wet, and I'm gonna try to mix this again to give you the idea of what it should be a really good texture for your orecchiette. Let's try it. You can see that you get a bit more texture, and that's really important because it's the part that retain whatever you're eating orecchiette with. And that's it. This is the trick to make orecchiette. Then you need to be patient and do it one by one, following the same movement over and over. Bye!